Good day, my name is Laba Muriki and I'm going to do a lecture for tourism management. Today we're going to do chapter 5, Organizing and Delegating. We're going to be focusing on organizing, organizational design, organizational chart, and structuring. Organizing. Organizing is grouping of activities and resources into a functional unit. Organizational design, the arrangement of individuals into work functions or departments. Organizational chart, a graphical illustration of organization's management structure. Organizational structuring, a combination of elements used to structure the organization. Mechanistic structures, rigid form of structure with strict rules and guidelines. Organic structures, flexible forms of structures. Delegation. Delegation is the process of assigning managerial authority to managers and employees lower down in the organizational hierarchy. Delegation aids. Delegation allows for employees to gain some experience in performing duties. Subordinates may develop better organizing and decision-making skills in the process. Subordinates exposed to delegation are better equipped to fill higher positions. How to improve delegation. When tasks are delegated to lower level, keep in mind that during delegation, the reason for delegating must be well communicated and understood. Clear goals and standards must be set by quality. Expectations must be clearly defined. Subordinates must be clearly informed about their responsibilities and the accountability of tasks. Subordinates whom take tasks need to be given assistance and direction. It is crucial that the performance of subordinates be measured continuously. Delegating of tasks must be done to employees whom have knowledge, skill, and experience. Constant feedback should be provided. Positive feedback as well as areas that require improvement. Organizing. Organizing could be defined as the process of delegating and coordinating tasks and resources to achieve organizational objectives. Organizational design, the arrangement of positions in the organization, the flow of information, the interrelatedness of various departments. Organizational chart, a graphic representation of the management structure. Organizational structuring, a combination of elements used to structure the organization. Mechanistic organizational structure, the use of rigid forms or organizational structuring where authority is centralized, rules and regulations are clearly specified, communication is formulated, few teams are utilized, and employees are closely monitored. Organic organizational structure, the use of flexible forms of organizational structures where authority is decentralized, few rules and regulations apply, communication is mostly informal, work teams are central to operations, and employees are not closely monitored. Organizational design decisions, mechanistic organization, a rigid, tightly controlled structure, high specializations, rigid departmentalization, narrow spans of control, high formalization, limited information network, downward, low decision participation. Organic organization, high flexible and adaptable structure, non-standardized jobs, fluid team-based structure, little direct supervision, minimal formal rules, open communication network, empowered employees. Organizing, the process of delegating and coordinating tasks and resources to achieve organizational objectives. Organizing also refers to activities and resources into functional units. Elements of organizing. Formalization is the extent to which procedures, policies, and manuals are used to create. Specialization. Specific functions are performed by specific departments, not necessarily done by an individual, but instead a department. Standardization, Activities are performed in a standard or uniform manner. Procedures, description, rules, and regulations are used to standardize procedures in organization. Elements of organizing. Coordination means the process of working together, each individual and department. Unity of command and direction. Each individual reports to a single manager or supervisor. Unity of direction means all activities should be directed toward reaching a common goal. Chain of command, the line of authority. Span of control refers to the number of employees reporting to a manager. The lower the number supervising, the smaller the span of control. Division of work, the grouping of work or jobs to the relevant department and individuals. Authority is the right to make decisions, issue and orders, and use available resources. Authority comes from being appointed to a critical position. Elements of organizing. Responsibility refers to the obligation to perform required activities in order for the organization to reach its objectives. Accountability. Managers must report and justify work results to those they report to. Flexibility means being able to adapt, making exceptions to the rules. Power, the extent to which a person is able to influence another in responding to orders. Downsizing, managerial activity of making activities and duties smaller, reducing workload and resources. The types of power which occur are within management structures. Legitimate power, position in the business. Reward power, position allows you to offer reward, incentive, or bonus for the work. Coercive power, the responsibility to punish based on the position. Expert power, knowledge, skills, and ability. Referent power, your character, charisma, and personality. Types of authority. We have the formal authority, which is based on formal position and relationship within the organization. Starts from the top, formal lines of decisions and communications. The line authority. Decisions are made across departments which report on the same level. Centralized authority, top management. Informal authority, communication and relationships, open communication and across-board assistance. Decentralized authority, middle and first-line managers, usually department or franchise-based. Staff authority, informative responsibility to advise staff, example PR and HR. Departmentalization. This involves the grouping of activities into separate units. Departments are created to organize and structure the various duties. Types of departments. Functional and external departmentalization. Advantages of functional duties are performed by experts. Lower cost of duplication is avoided. Managing individuals with similar skills is easier. Training is easier. And the disadvantages are cross-departmental functions may be challenging. Individuals tend to focus on their functions only. External departmentalization. Activities in large organizations which are done in divisions over geographical areas. Consider factors such as product, the customer, and the territory or geography. Product departmentalization. Organizing departments around goods and services. Advantages. Each product is placed under a manager who specializes in that areas. Subdivided into self-contained areas, each focuses on specific area. Customer departmentalization. Departments focused around different types of customers. Focus is on customer needs rather than brands and skills. It is used when a wide variety of products and services occur. Geographic departmentalization. Organizing departments in the area of business. Functions are grouped to the area managers. Allows for multinational firms to address cultural and legal differences. Matrix. Combination of functional and product. Allows for better coordination, enhances efficiency and customer preference. Encourage flexibility sharing of human resources. Staff learn different types of skills. I thank you.